Moscow today?
Well, our prayer point started not today, from when the crisis started in 2023, if you remember. And so these women, this group, we've been on ground for a very long time. Now today we are faced with an extra prayer point. And that prayer point is that Governor Siminalayi Fubara must be returned back to his elected position. Even the president made that clear by his statement that he is coming back, and we believe he is coming back. The concern I personally have is that when is he coming back? We don't want him to come back when they have made illegal changes that will be difficult for him to govern. It still amounts to making the state ungovernable for him. You cannot bring him back when you have installed 27 people that are against him in the state assembly. When you have installed local government chairmen illegally, because there has to be an election. People need to understand this. There has to be an election, not appointment, for local government. INEC has no right to conduct election. It's IREC. Now, when the IBAS came and removed the people that are supposed to conduct election and are replacing them with people he doesn't know. How does he know those people? He's only been here for 2 weeks. How does he know the people he is appointing into positions in Rivers State? He's not a Rivers man. His chief of staff is not a Rivers man. So they cannot know what should happen in Rivers State, how we vote, and why we vote the ways that we vote. So our prayer point is that God should do the right thing in Rivers State, and we know that he will do the right thing. We do not want a situation where local government chairmen, where people of the assembly and people in the civil service are replaced, and we have people who are already known to be against the governor. Siminalayi Fubara remains the governor of Rivers State. And so that is the position. And I want to add this. We must not forget that the police commissioner today was the same police commissioner when in 2023, in October 2023, when Siminalayi Fubara was attacked with hot water and tear gas was shot at him. That was the same commissioner. He has been brought back to Rivers State at the time of crisis. So allegedly, in my mind, in my analysis, this is planned, and the police commissioner today is definitely partial to a certain section of what's going on in Rivers State. In Ahuda, women were tear gassed. In Port Harcourt, women were not tear gassed. In Omuma, men were demonstrating, protesting that he should remain, and they had police covering them. And so we have a situation where one section, the governor's people supporting the governor, are mishandled and hurt with tear gas, and yet people who have openly also claimed to be supporting the Federal Capital Territory minister are escorted by police. We're all Rivers people. Nobody is more Rivers than the other person. We're all equally Rivers people. And strangers must be very careful what they do in Rivers State, because what they do in Rivers State today will happen to them in their own state by the grace of God. Because anything you say is good, that's what God will do.